I'm Caitlin McCommis and I'm a playwright. I decided to come to Hollins because I had a friend that was going here who was really enthusiastic about the program, and he talked to me about it for honestly a couple of years before I finally decided to come here. My main goal was to be able to push myself outside of having a community nearby that was holding me accountable. And since being here and since having to have a new play done every April 15th, I know now, even now that I'm done with the program, I will feel the pressure to have a new play done every April 15th of every single year. So a couple of the most important classes I've taken, one was definitely Special Populations with John Bergman. It really helps solidify what I want to focus on in my playwriting, in that I really want to work with a community of people who live with chronic illness. And also I just want to do work that kind of explores uncomfortable truths and kind of helps a community flourish within something that can be uncomfortable. Another class that's been really beneficial was Adaptations with Megan Gogarty. I think having any writing class with Megan Gogarty is going to be invaluable, because she will cause you to see your own writing and what you're doing in a way that you've never really thought of before. I was glad that this was the play that I got to have this opportunity with, since it is so important to me. It is also my thesis play, so that's hugely helpful just in that process. And the reaction from the audience afterwards, just everybody kind of felt like they'd been kicked in the gut, which told me that I did my job exactly how I wanted to. So yeah, I'm excited to keep working on it. I think having that play in festival has made it so much stronger. When it came time to work with a director, I knew that I needed somebody that I could feel safe with, since it's a very personal piece, and it's also it can be painful, some painful content at times. So I knew that I needed somebody that created a safe environment for me to further explore that, and also somebody that I felt like I could collaborate with as well, and I completely found that with Michael Mansfield. I would say if you are somebody that loves collaboration, that loves having people with different experiences, different views on art and theater, different backgrounds, of course, and you want to put all of that together to help yourself grow and help other people grow, then this is absolutely the place for you. The relationships that you'll make here are life-changing, really, and I don't think you can find a better place that will challenge you to become a better artist, and honestly find who you are as an artist.